afternoon, or I'm speaking very, very quietly today because we got the neighbours next door carrying on. Oops, just hit the phone. We just had September 11. It's now September 13. September 13, yeah. Not exactly Friday the 13th, but it's Saturday, so we got lucky. I'm going to harvest the last of these potatoes because they are done, and because I put in all the pumpkins and the cucumbers. Yeah, they are done. And I forgot to get some at the shops. I was just at the shops not long ago. So what I need to do is plant some capsicum seeds here and get it rolling. She's inside. Okay. I have managed to contact the Department of Child Protection Services earlier this week, and I had a good conversation with their social worker about everything. They are welcome to stay outside so long as I get my weekends free to do some gardening, because look at the weather. And I'm just not getting my outside time whenever they carry on. So that's the story at the moment. So we had a good conversation about that. She's going to put a few things... What's that there? Put a few things in motion. Just noticed something popping up there. It might be a reed. Can you see it? Where is it? There. Yeah. Don't know. Reed. This bed is awfully dry. We've had a few dry days. And I'm going to not Google it. Going to sea salt it, actually. And yeah. My brother just came and mowed the lawns, hence another reason to do this video. So, yeah. That's what I have to put up with. She's carrying on because she's not getting her own way about going outside. Stupid bloody neighbour. That's a peace and quiet. But, yep, she's having a temper tantrum. Alright, let's go. It feels heavy. Feels nice and heavy. Ooh. And I just think I wasn't going to get anything. Yeah, they've been in the ground too long. These didn't really take because they came up late. So the greenness might be a bit of a worry. But at this stage, that can be peeled and chopped back. And I can't get that one off. There we go. Yeah, bit of mould there. Just check if there's anything else. Because the other day when I planted those pumpkins, I found 4 more potatoes. I could have done another video, but I didn't know they were there. So I'm just pulling up some of these reeds as well, just to tidy up a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, I think that one has been in the ground too long. So, yeah, I'm surprised there was anything on there actually, because that one took a while to pop up. So, yeah. So this garden bed did alright with potatoes, but whether it's going to do well with cucumbers and everything else that goes with it. I don't know.